Monday morning here aboard the Aggressor. We just finished our first wall dive of the day. We're about half a mile south of French Cay, which is that little tiny island out there. We had a lovely breakfast, smoked salmon, bagels, spinach, you name it, they have it. The food here is extravagant, to say the least. The diving facility is impeccable. Let's go take a look. Been hanging out up here on the bow just because the view is pretty, but if you walk your way back here, it takes you right to the gear deck. Yeah, you got pretty much everything ready to go. Go inside. You can see that's where we are. That's where we left from. That was yesterday. Excuse me.
Oh, no.
Just got to stop into the bunk here. Oh, check that out. They made the beds. Rough accommodations up here. Oh, hey, Peter.
Hey.
How's it going?
Doesn't suck.
Rough conditions out here, eh?
Terrible.
Here's the cool part of this boat. Aside from the hot tub, I got some fresh banana bread. It's a whole refrigerator full of beer.
Here we go.
What was that?
It's time to dive.
It's the bell. That means we gotta go get our equipment together and get back in the water. Hear that? It's basically the all hands on deck signal to get your act together. Everyone's running back. They're all out here. Everybody getting back in order.
We'd like to get one or two cups.
Got to make sure we have everything together here. sun is going down. We just had a very tasty treat, lamb chop dinner. We're getting ready to do a little bit of a night dive excursion. We are just to the south of French Cay, which in the Turks and Caicos is one of the most notable spots for an incredible variety of sharks, snappers, jacks, and just about everything else you can think of out here that comes alive at night. There's gonna be about 15 divers in the water, all kinds of camera equipment out here tonight. Could not have asked for better weather. We got a slight swell, but the sky is pink, the sky is beautiful. And everybody's rigged up and ready to go. All we need are some willing divers to get in here and enjoy themselves. It's gonna be a good night. Taco Tuesday.
Morning.
I'm here with Bill, and we're getting ready to do our first dive of the day. We're going to be chilling right off the coral wall today. We're in a place called Eel Garden, which is one of my favorite spots here in the Turks and Caicos. Have you been here before?
No, first time. Eel Garden Virgin.
It's going to be great. They got a coral farm down there, and they have these magnificent little sand eels that kind of stick their head out and poke and look at you, and it's really a party to try and get them out there to play with you. Off the other side, or the deep side of the wall, there's eagle rays, there's sharks, there's all kinds of stuff out there that's going to be phenomenal. Are you excited?
I'm stoked. Let's do this.
Let's go get it. looking ready there, boss.
Good to go, man.
I think it's gonna work.
Yeah.
We'll find out.
I want to see that one. And that was our depth.
Lunchtime?
Lunchtime. Almuerzo.
And lentils. Bunch of iron. Here's where it needs to die. 29 Friday hours. So we can drop 2 pounds of weight. To lose the gears. Lose weight.
Looks spicy.
And today, because it's Tuesday, we have the tacos day. So all of you know
Taco
about the
Day.
tacos and
It's Taco Tuesday at sea. Where's your hat? Go wrong. I know, I'm missing my sombrero. Because hot sauce is the only way to live. Here we go. Oh, damn. That is no joke hot sauce, let me tell you. Whoa. Coconut lentil soup is amazing, though. Oh, yeah. Peter's got tacos. Do you believe that? Everybody's got tacos. Thank you, sir. Oh, man. Check that out. Tacos, right?
Just buried in here.
So good. That's what I'm talking about.
No, he's taking time and love it. It's good. It's good. Thank you.
Can you believe how blue that water is? Everywhere I've been in the Caribbean, the Turks and Caicos by far has the most gorgeous water. It is pristine, as clear and clean as it gets. The visibility while you're diving here is absolutely phenomenal. It just blows my mind. Look at this view. Well, the unfortunate thing about being a little closer to shore here is that Peter managed to get service. And just enough service to get the wind forecast for the next few days. So like 6 to 8 foot seas, winds 20 to 25 knots out here. It's ripping. It's hauling out here. It's hauling. Here we go, Mavic 3. See ya. Let's go get some aerial footage. Nice, straight down. Like a boss. Yeah. Nice flying. All right, that went according to plan.
I'm surprised.
Oh, hey.
Hello.
You ready to go diving?
Ready.
All right, let's go.